Hello dear subscribers, I'll tell you how to fix problem when you just want to update your so you just can't WhatsApp, no internet connection. So how you can also fix it? So for fixing it, you just need first thing, just try to close the WhatsApp and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use server data, just open server data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. Update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just right here WhatsApp, and if you see update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your WhatsApp app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click like and bye.